There's the comb right back there. There's the hive right there. SoCal bee removal and relocation. You look at that right there in the cave. Some people live their life in a cave, always living in perpetual darkness, never knowing that there's light on the outside of the cave. These bees live inside the cave, but they know that there's light on the outside. They know how to escape the darkness and go into the light. Help the channel. Oh, that's a good shot right there. Like, share, subscribe. SoCal bee removal and relocation.